Alright guys, so through the next couple lessons here, I'm going to show you exactly how to download, edit, and re-upload a video. Obviously, you can just re-upload the whole video too, but if you want to like make it into more videos, I'm going to show you how to do that. Or if you just want to make a compilation, I'll show you how to do all that. Obviously, you can just download and re-upload these videos in their whole as they are. But right now, I'm going to go over how to download a video. And to do this, we first off have to find a video, and once we find one, we can just go to the video watch page right here. And then we're going to want the link to the video, so we just click share, and then there's going to be the link right there, and we can just click copy, and it'll copy it to our clipboard. And then we're going to go to another tab right here. As you can see, I have savefrom.net open. Now, this is a really good website for downloading YouTube videos. I'm going to put a link to this website so you guys can find it as well. So then we just paste a link in there just like that, and then we just wait for it to load here. And there's a video we're going to want to download as high quality as we can, and then we just click download, and then it's going to save the video to our downloads folder. Now, as you can see on the bottom left-hand side of Chrome right here, the video is downloading, and just like that, the video is downloaded to our computer. So once the video is downloaded, we're going to want to upload it.